Join me as I dive into the world of Forex trading and see if I can turn a small investment into real profit today. Forex trading has been touted as one of the fastest ways to make money quickly, and for good reason. With the right strategies and tools, it's possible to turn a small investment into a sizable profit in a matter of hours. But why should you care about Forex trading? Well, the truth is, millions of people around the world are already making a killing in the Forex market, and there's no reason why you can't join them. When it comes to Forex trading, one of the biggest misconceptions is that it's only for experienced investors or financial experts. But the truth is, anyone can learn to trade Forex and make money. It's not rocket science. However, there are some common pitfalls that beginner traders often fall into, and that's what I want to talk about today. One of the biggest challenges is the emotional aspect of trading. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement of making a profit or to get discouraged by a loss. But the key to success in Forex trading is to stay calm, cool, and collected, and to make informed decisions based on the data. Another challenge that beginner traders face is the fear of losses. Let's face it, losses are a natural part of trading, and even the most experienced traders experience losses from time to time. But the key is to learn from those losses and use them as an opportunity to improve your trading strategy. And then there's the issue of information overload. With so many different trading strategies and tools available, it can be hard to know where to start. But the truth is, you don't need to be an expert to get started with Forex trading. All you need is a willingness to learn and a solid understanding of the basics. Finally, there's the myth that Forex trading is only for people who have a lot of money to invest. But the truth is, you can start trading Forex with as little as a few $100s. Of course, the more money you have to invest, the bigger your potential profits will be. But the point is, Forex trading is accessible to anyone, regardless of their financial situation. And that's what makes it so exciting. The potential for making money quickly is huge, and it's within reach of anyone who's willing to put in the effort to learn and improve. One of the most effective strategies for navigating the Forex market is to use a combination of technical and fundamental analysis. Technical analysis involves studying charts and graphs to identify patterns and trends, while fundamental analysis involves looking at the underlying economic factors that affect currency prices. By combining these two approaches, you can get a much more complete picture of the market and make more informed trading decisions. Another key strategy is to diversify your portfolio. By trading multiple currencies and using different trading strategies, you can minimize your risk and maximize your potential profits. Another tool that can be really useful for Forex traders is a trading journal. By keeping track of your trades and analyzing your results, you can identify areas for improvement and refine your trading strategy over time. And then there's the importance of staying up to date with market news and trends. By following reputable sources and staying informed, you can stay ahead of the curve and make more informed trading decisions. Finally, it's essential to have a solid risk management strategy in place. By limiting your potential losses and maximizing your potential gains, you can ensure that you're trading Forex safely and effectively. One of the most powerful trading strategies that I've found is the use of pivot points. By identifying key levels of support and resistance, you can anticipate market movements and make more informed trading decisions. And the best part is, pivot points are incredibly easy to use. All you need is a basic understanding of charts and graphs, and you're good to go. Another strategy that's been really effective for me is the use of Fibonacci retracements. By identifying areas of support and resistance based on Fibonacci levels, you can anticipate market movements and make more informed trading decisions. But the key to success in Forex trading isn't just about using the right strategies and tools. It's about developing a winning mindset. It's about being disciplined, staying focused, and avoiding impulsive decisions. And it's about being willing to learn and adapt. The Forex market is constantly changing, and you need to be able to change with it. By combining the right strategies and tools with a winning mindset, you can achieve incredible results in the Forex market. To summarize, Forex trading is a powerful way to make money quickly, but it's not without its challenges. By understanding the common pitfalls that beginner traders face, and by using the right strategies and tools, you can increase your chances of success and start making money in the Forex market today. Remember, education and practice are key. The more you learn and improve, the more likely you are to achieve success in the Forex market. Thanks for watching. If you've had any experience with Forex trading, I'd love to hear about it in the comments below. And if you're new to Forex trading, don't forget to subscribe for more trading tips and tutorials. And be sure to check out my next video on advanced Forex strategies.